Okay, so this is how I am going to do, well, this is how my hair is going to be underneath the hair that I purchased, which I told you guys. It is Zury in the color 1. It's the Go-Go Curl. It's V8, 9, 10. One pack is enough. And I'm going to put the 10 inches at the bottom, and then I'll put the 9 inches in the middle, and then the 8 inches will go on top. And what I'm hoping for is that I can put the hair in and I'm able to flip it on one side. If not, if I can't, then I'm just going to do one side, and then I'll just already have my part, so I can actually choose which side I'm going to do my part in, which will probably be this side. It's usually the side that I always do my part in. So yeah, this is it. I'll turn around the back so you guys can see the back of my head and how I got it. I don't know what it looks like, but it's going to work. So I put one bun here, and then I did the 2 ponytails on each side and just pinned them down. And then I have one braid going down the middle, and I pinned it down. And we're going to cover it all up. We'll cover it all up with this right here. And they say one pack is enough. But you know your girl. I have another pack for backup. Another pack for backup. Hey, let's just take it out of the package right now. Y'all gonna end up having me doing my head tonight, because usually it don't take but an hour. So, I don't know. But there's like, now this is another thing. There's 3 different, like I said, there are 3 different sizes. And normally the hair that I have crocheted in my head already comes looped. This does not come looped. So I'll basically be pulling the strands apart and putting it in my hair. So I don't know, let's see. I want to see if I can go ahead and get this out here. Take the netting off here. And I got this from Beauty Supply. I forgot to tell y'all, it was only 16 bucks, $15.99. So it has, oops, that paper just came out. Basically, oh, here we go. Let's pull it apart. So this is the 8. This is going to go on top. Here. Oh, there's more netting. Lots more netting, guys. So just know that there's a lot of netting on this hair. We want to pull it off so we can actually see what this hair looks like. So this is the 8-inch right here. 8 here. I feel like going ahead and do my hair, because then if I do my hair tonight, I can get up and work out tomorrow. I don't have to worry about doing my hair. This is the 9. And this is the 10. So they put netting on all of it, just so you'll know. Netting everywhere. Yeah, I feel like doing my hair. It's 11 o'clock at night. But I'm going to be honest with you. I actually feel like tackling this. And I feel like I can have it done by... I'm sorry, I'm trying to tear this knit. I feel like I can have it done by midnight. It's 11:16 right now, so. Okay, so here we go. And then this is the 10. So the, oops. So the 10's gonna go back here. Look, y'all. And then the 9 go right here. We're gonna piece this together, honey. And then the 8 goes up here. And they say one pack is enough. So, we will see. We will see. Yeah. 8. I don't want to ravel it up too much. I don't want to make it look too bad. But you can kind of tell the difference. It's a slight difference, but you can tell which is which. Sorry, there was more netting. In the length or whatever. So, yeah. That is it. That is it. Do not be surprised if I start showing y'all how to install this hair, because I really feel like I can go ahead and get it done tonight and get it over with. You see, my wheels are just going here because my hair's already dry. I think I'm going to go ahead and install it. So stay tuned. Y'all, so I'm going to show you how I crochet herring. So this hair is very, very silky. So what I recommend is this technique, and I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go up and, I didn't mean to do that. So like that's a very good mistake that I made. So if you go up in the hair and you can't get out, you just close that latch and this thing will slip right out. So that's just a nice little mistake I make sometimes. Alright, so I'm now on the 9-inch. I've already done the 10-inch in the back. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to grab the hair like so. And then I'm going to put it on the hook like so. And I like to make sure it's on the hook by like kind of bending the hair back and making sure it's on the hook. The latch closed itself, y'all. And then you pull it through. Now this is what I've been doing. I've actually been doing it like 3 times. And I feel like the hair is so silky, when it's time to come out, it's going to come out pretty easy. So I think it's okay to go ahead and tie it 3 times. And then it's in there nice and tight. So I'm going to go ahead and try to finish this hair up, and then I'll let you see the finished product. Okay guys, so I am done, and it took me longer than an hour. Okay, so far, the easiest hair to do was the very first hairstyle that I had. When I did it was the Jamaican bounce hair. That was easier. For some reason, it was twisted, looped just right. I like this hair because it's very light. It is not heavy on my head whatsoever. Now, okay, the jury is still out on the style of this hair. I did cut it just a little bit. Kind of want you guys to, I don't know if you can see the back of it. So it did come out in the V shape, which is cute. But I'm still trying to, you know how it is when you get new hair, you're trying to feel it out. And it seems like the more I puff it out, like so, the better I like it. So, let's see, I'm trying to review this right. Okay, so it's very soft, it's very light, I like that. However, when you're trying to loop the hair back through, it does not take very easily. So you have to loop it like 3 times. Like, you know how you do a rubber band? You got to do that at least 3 times for it to kind of hold. Now what I did up front is I looped it two times, and then I took one of those, the end pieces, and then took it through the loop once and then pulled it so that it would kind of look like it's invisible, you know what I mean? I mean, this looks, I would say this looks like, this could be my hair. It's just darker because I always do one. I don't know why. I always do one. I hardly ever do 1B. So anyway, y'all, tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it or not. I don't know if I'm going to make this part of my vlog. No, I don't know. I don't know if I'll make this part of my vlog for this weekend. And okay, so another thing why you keep seeing me do this, because these little flyaways, you see these little flyaways, y'all see this? This is the stuff that's going to annoy me, and I don't know if maybe I should, I've seen some people put like water and conditioner. See, look at this, see this right here? And it's only because I just put it in, so some of the hair that didn't get tied in is still loose. So I'm constantly pulling at it. Do you see that? There's more. But this is not because of the hair. This is just because of my method of me putting it in. Like, some of the hair is not catching, or whatever you want to say. So it's just that little phrase stuff is just getting on my nerves. But once I get it done, like once I pulled it, you see, like, see this right here, this gets on my nerves. But I think what I'm gonna try to do is like maybe If it starts getting a little bit out of control, maybe do like a conditioner with little water spritz on my hair to tame it, just to tame it. But I think it's really cute. I think it's fun for the summer, y'all. See, I'm about to pull this hair right here. Ooh, look at that. But I'd rather do it now than later, you know what I mean? And I hope I'm not making it worse by doing that. But I don't like it. I don't like this portion of it. So it could just, I know it's because of my technique of the way I put it in. So I'm going to hold on to this, and instead of pulling it, I'm going to cut it. And then that way it'll look better to me. So anyway, guys, this is it. I hope you liked just a little demonstration. I didn't do a whole lot to show you because I was having problems like in the back when I first tried to install it, and I was trying to do that one loop thing, because my whole thing is, let me tell y'all what my thing is. As easily as it is to put in, I want to be able to take it out that easy too. So, but I can't, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, anyway, so the way I'm gonna go to bed tonight is I'm gonna put a satin bonnet on top of this, and I'm gonna go to sleep. The hubby is already back from the gym. Well, he's been back from the gym, took his shower, in the bed, sleep, snoring, y'all. He is snoring. And I'm kind of listening, watching Die Hard 2 on HBO. Oh, see, look at this. See, if I keep pulling, I'm going to take a whole piece out. Did y'all see that? So I need to cut this instead of pulling. Because when I pull it, it's getting tighter. I just don't want it to come out. So anyway, I'm trying to fix that. But anyway, y'all, so far so good. So far so good. You'll see me styling it and everything. Let me see if I can cut this while y'all. There we go. See? That was easy. Let me do this. There. Now, that looks better. I like it. I think it's a very cute, flirty, fun hair, and I love how light it is compared to all that hair I had in my head before. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.